Hey y'all, how you doing today? Dana here, and I'm going to turn this, which is cabbage, into some sassy slaw. And we're going to have it tonight at my grandson's graduation party to go along with that barbecue. So anyway, sassy slaw coming right up. You're going to need 2 pounds of shredded cabbage. Now, a lot of times I do my own shredding, but I'm in a time crunch today, so I did this. Do not feel bad doing this. It's vacuum sealed. It's already, angel hair, very finely done. This is going to make some good slaw. And you need 2 pounds of it. So we're going to get started with that. And then we're going to have tomatoes and dill pickles and mayonnaise. Now, I've already got started on the dill pickles, but I want to do the tomatoes right quick because I've got a secret to make your tomatoes taste better. So what I do is, y'all know how to cut up a tomato. So I'm going to chop up some tomatoes right quick, and I'll be back with you to show you my secret. All right, I'm still cutting on these tomatoes, and you're going to need about 2 cups of fresh tomatoes. So that's what we're doing here, and we're just chopping them up into good bite sizes. Here's, these two pieces are bite sizes. Some are a little larger than others, but try to get them kind of uniform so that it'll go well with your slaw. But I wanted to show y'all a little bit about concentrating your tomato flavor. When you get these chopped up, if you'll just hold off a minute to add them and let them sit with a little salt in them. I'm going to salt mine lightly. That way, it'll pull out the water and it'll make the flavor more concentrated. So that's what I'm doing right there. Another thing I'm doing is on the pickles, I'm just going to keep going with my little diced pickles. And y'all, this is a tomato knife. If you've never seen one, I have them on my links on my Facebook where I say there's a little post about my favorite links. And y'all can go there and see the things that I use because y'all are always asking. And so I just feel like I should provide those links for you. So there they are. But anyway, right now I'm using my little tomato knife to chop a cucumber. See, it's curved. It does really well for tomatoes. And you may have one in your knife kit already in your knife block, like I have back there, but I bought this separate because mine didn't have one. And I didn't even know they made them. And one of my friends gave me one. I said, "What about this?" It's like, whoa, it's a game changer on a tomato. All right, now what we're going to do before we start adding this, we're going to do a little salting and peppering because we might as well layer this as we go. Okay, so I'm letting that paper come out. The pepper, not the paper. I'm letting the pepper come out. And then I'm going to kind of go light on the salt because the pickles are salty. Y'all know they are. So pickles are salty. We'll do light on that. Let's go ahead and get this good stuff in. We've got the pickles. We got the tomatoes. How beautiful is the salad already? Look in there. It's gorgeous. All the colors. And I've got a pretty bowl to put it in. The rest of the pickles are going in. All right, let's kind of spread that out. And half a cup of mayonnaise. Now, y'all look, start with the increments that I have in the recipe because it's been tried a long time by my family. Then you taste it and adjust it according to what your family likes. If you like more tart, add more pickles. There's one thing I haven't added yet that we've got to add because it makes a difference. And you know what that is? It is a tablespoon of my pickle juice. And trust me on this, just go ahead and add it. It's going to make a difference. All right, take your tongs and let's start mixing this beautiful salad. So anyway, Sassy Slaw. This is based on a salad that David's mother introduced me to. She always made this on Sundays. After church, we'd come in and one of us would have to throw together the salad as we were getting the stuff on the table. So I've been making this for a long time and I added some things to it and it is just a favorite in my family. This is Sassy Slaw. Okay, and if you need more tomatoes or more slaw, if it's too concentrated, you just add a little bit more of the cabbage. Okay, so easy peasy. All right, now I got to be the taster, or David, you can be the taster. Y'all, David's here. Y'all tell him what the weather is. You know he wants to know, don't you, David? Oh, yeah. And where you're from. And where you're from. I'll give David one a bite. Okay, if I need more pickles or what, there you go. Sassy Slaw. Going to David. All right, make sure you got some of the stuff. Does it need more mayonnaise? Does it need, what does it need? I got a really big bite, so y'all are going to have to talk to David while I do this. I think it's perfect. What do you think, David? I think it's good. I think it is. This is where you find the recipe, Sassy Slaw. It'll, you can find the recipe in What's Cooking with Dana, y'all. It'll come right to your house. You can get it as an ebook if you want it today. Y'all, this recipe's good. It's worth it. It's on Amazon. Y'all go get you one. I have the links on my page and on different. I'll put the link below in comments too. So y'all go get you a book. And y'all know I've got my new app coming out. It'll be out soon. It's going to be called Cooking with Dana. And we're going to have some, as my grandkids call it, merch. I think that's so funny. But my grandkids call it merch. And short for merchandise, of course. The good Lord loves you, and I love you too. And then there's different cutting boards, and there's going to be a whole lot of stuff that we're developing on there. But y'all, this app is going to make your life and my life a lot easier. And I'm telling you, I can't wait for you to see it. I can't wait for you to try it. So it's going to be out in a few weeks. Y'all get ready. All right, David, you got anything? All right, the good Lord loves you, and I love you too. Y'all go have a good day. And I'm going to be taking the Sassy Slaw to my grandson's graduation party tonight, along with some mac and cheese. All right, love and blessings to you. Bye now.